As a data analytics consultant, I often get asked, why should you even use data analytics to help with a decision? Isn't a simple Excel spreadsheet enough? In this video, I'm going to show you 7 reasons why you should start using Tableau and data to make your business decisions and how they usually affect our clients start using data to actually gain a competitive advantage. Reason number 1, scale. As you scale, there will inevitably come more complexity with running your team, managing all the inputs, and measuring all the business outcomes. A simple spreadsheet is good enough for a simple team, but businesses break when people tend to join in and data processes become more complex. The problem is that point between being a small business and a large organization. Small businesses who want to do data analytics cannot afford a full data team. That could cost north of $500,000 a year for salaries alone. But small businesses still need to get the insights out of their business to help them scale. Businesses who don't successfully learn from their data stay stuck at a certain level. They can either fail to succeed or fail to scale because they can't do trial and error through informed analysis fast enough. This is where the power of data and managed analytics can come in to create an affordable solution that even small businesses can start on their own data-driven journey. Reason number 2, keeping ahead of your competition. Businesses often need to jump on fleeting opportunities to keep ahead of the competition. At the same time, time-sensitive decisions like offering discounts or releasing new products early carry significant risk. You need to make good decisions fast with data. By using an analytics team and powerful tools like Tableau and Snowflake and many other technologies that are out there for the modern data stack, you can gain access to insights in near real time. In many situations, speed to insight is the most important factor. There's simply no time to wait around for people to manually search spreadsheets, compile lengthy reports, and schedule meetings to argue over metric definitions. It just doesn't work. Reason number 3, eliminate recurring problems. It rarely happens that a business goes out of business because of one single mistake. Usually mistakes tend to repeat and pile up until that problem is so big that it can't be solved correctly. And this is where data can play a really important role in helping uncover some of those trends. But if you're still using Excel for all of that data, sitting in large tables of information, you may not have time to realize that those mistakes are hidden right in plain sight. And if you don't have a team of experts to help you yet, chances are that people who are doing the reporting and data analytics aren't experienced enough to see those mistakes, and this might result in big problems down the line. Unfortunately, most businesses fail to achieve their goals because they can't get key insights into how they're actually operating. Making good data analytics the center of your decision-making can really make or break your business. Make sure you have that completely nailed down when you invest in data analytics. Reason number 4, technology. People often say that every company is now a technology company. While it's true, there are no modern businesses that can expect to stay relevant without the right technology in place. It doesn't mean that IT projects should detract from your core offer or your team's already busy schedules. Businesses need to focus on what they're best at, which means technology should work for them, not against them. By outsourcing data analytics, you give back time to your team to be able to focus on what's important. It helps release that pressure off of your team so they have more time to do what they do best. And they can focus on things that are actually going to grow your business, while also having the confidence to make those decisions that are growing your business based off data that's being reported correctly and on time. Reason number 5, gain objective insights. Before the era of big data and modern analytics platforms, business leaders had to rely largely on instinct to make important decisions. Of course, this approach takes time and requires a lot of research, and there is a significant risk of human error, but people tend to trust the people that have the experience making these decisions for a long amount of time. The sad fact is that poor decision-making and inability to shift with changing markets and consumer demand, especially in today's market, is why so many household brands have faded into obscurity. It's hard to know where markets are moving just by relying on somebody's industry experience. Data helps overcome that problem by giving leaders the opportunity to make decisions based on hard facts rather than emotions, but it has to come fast and be reliable and detailed. An Excel spreadsheet is going to fail on many parts of that. Reason number 6, enjoy actionable insights. A lot of businesses are still stuck in the old days. In the old days, analysts would spend time going through spreadsheets, databases, and customer surveys to identify common characteristics and trends that were relevant to the audience. This can take a lot of time and effort to the point that it was nearly impossible to deliver a comprehensive analysis while also making it timely analysis. A full-stacked managed data analytics platform delivers better reporting powered by real-time data and role-based custom optimization so that everyone can work in a common browser, anyone can access those reports and insights relevant to them, and no matter where they're working or how they're working, they can make decisions in real time. And by the way, if you're looking for someone to help you make data-driven decisions, we at DataDrive have successfully implemented our managed analytics services for organizations at a fraction of the cost it would take to build and hire a full data analytics team. Check out the link below if you want to get reliable insights into your business and grow with data-driven decisions. Reason number 7, save money in the long run. Even if you're already primarily storing data in the cloud, as the vast majority of organizations already are, you still need to create data integrations and clean up data models and set up strong data governance frameworks to see positive return on investment with analytics capabilities. Once you've tackled the infrastructure, you then need to create the right end user experience in the form of dashboards and reports. By reducing, if not eliminating, the need for capital infrastructure, expenses, and an internal team expertise that you need to retain, outsourced managed services help you get up and running in a fraction of the time and at a fraction of the cost it would take you to build otherwise. But the biggest benefit comes from eliminating the missed opportunity cost. Missed opportunity cost happens when you fail to gain a deal, a partnership, or a client just because you didn't have the right data to make a decision fast. If you have clean data, the chances of you catching those opportunities and capitalizing on them are much higher, and that way you can minimize the effect of these missed opportunity costs, which is one of the most overlooked costs of a business overall, especially when your business needs to move and groove with the market for survival. Now, the problem is if you hire the wrong data consultant to help you do the job, you might end up with a ton of money spent, haphazard analytics, and a stagnating business model built on a data infrastructure that you just don't have the internal ability to maintain. In the next video, I'm going to go through everything you need to know when looking for a consultant to help you with your analytics and what exactly to avoid. See you in the next video.